it's hard to tell why keeping the faith is as hard as hell. I see a man getting rich from a few good lies, while a good man struggles just to stay alive. Well, they tell me I'm free as they tighten the rope, noose around the neck of a man's last hope. I'm working twice as hard for half the pay, and the man at the top just gave himself a raise. Oh, the water keeps rising, Lord knows I can't stop the rain. Just waiting for the break of day, yeah, to let the blood wash the blood away. Well, the sun comes up and I'm back on my feet. Another day, another mile down a dead-end street. They're taking half what I make and they still want more, but a heart gets cold sleeping on the floor. Oh, the water keeps rising, Lord knows I can't stop the rain. I keep my eyes on the horizon, I'm just waiting for the break of day, to let the flood wash the blood away. There's only so much that a man can take, only so far that he'll bend before he breaks. They keep us divided so we don't see, together with the flood that'll set us free. All the water keeps rising, Lord knows you can't stop the rain.